Hello everyone. In this video we are going to be checking out the 5 best omelette makers. I made this list based on my personal opinion and research of the markets. I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. If you want more information and updated price on the products mentioned, check out the links in the description below and sure subscribe to our channel for future review videos. Okay, so let's get started. Number 5. Holstein Housewares. The Holstein Housewares HH09370112SS was born after identifying a need in the housewares industry for family-friendly, fun, and functional small kitchen appliances. The omelette maker provides families around the world with endless baking possibilities, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. The maker's upright space-saving design allows for easy storage between uses. With this Holstein Housewares HH09370112SS, you can easily make your favorite omelettes, or use the included manual with recipes to try vegetable omelettes and Spanish omelettes. The Holstein Housewares YouTube channel also includes tons of recipe videos like egg white and mushroom omelettes. Its indicator light lets you know when the maker is done preheating and when it is in use. The cleanup seems easier than with traditional pans. It's incredibly easy to use and clean and makes perfect omelettes every time. Number 4. DEOM8100RD. The DEOM8100RD omelette maker is so easy, even your kids can use it. It is portable and a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper RV traveling. The dual, PFOA-free, non-stick plates make cleanup a snap. The 760-watt 8 inches express omelette maker includes anti-slip feet, non-stick heating plates, recipe book and recipe database access. Dash is a US-based company that provides contact information in each product manual. DEOM8100RD 8 inches express omelette maker is perfect for eggs, frittatas, paninis, pizza pockets and other breakfast, lunch, and dinner options. Red. The perfect wedding or new home gift. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. It has a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 3. Holstein HH09125007R. The Holstein Housewares HH09125007R provide families around the world with endless baking possibilities, from healthy meals to guilty pleasures. You can easily make your favorite omelettes, or use the included manual with recipes to try vegetable omelettes and Spanish omelettes. Non-stick coating keeps food from sticking, and provides for easy cleanup. The Holstein Housewares YouTube channel also includes tons of recipe videos like egg white and mushroom omelettes. The Holstein Housewares HH09125007R upright space-saving design allows for easy storage between uses. This is perfect for your lifestyle. Its indicator light lets you know when the maker is done preheating and when it is in use. It has a non-slip base for a secure grip on the countertop and a manual with recipes included. You can bake about 2 scrambled eggs per cavity. Its electrical specs are 120 volts to 60 Hz 760 W. Number 2. Dash Omelette Maker. The Dash Omelette Maker breakfast, lunch, or dinner can be table-ready or quick to go, in minutes. No measuring required, just wait for the green indicator light to show the maker is preheated, pour in ingredients, close the lid and cook. Its small size takes up little counter space, and its sleek design and trendy color options will match any kitchen decor. Dash Omelette Maker, you can make fluffy omelettes, frittatas, paninis, pizza pockets, crispy skin salmon, and more. It's so easy, even your kids can use it. Weighing 2 pounds, the Dash Omelette Maker is portable and a must-have for that first apartment, smaller kitchen, college dorm life, or camper RV traveling. The dual nonstick plates make cleanup a snap. The perfect wedding or new home gift. This is a great way to make omelettes. 90 seconds a side seems best for an omelette. Backed by a 1-year manufacturer warranty. Number 1. Cuisinart WAFB50. The Cuisinart WAFB50 omelette maker lets you whip up an omelette and a Belgian waffle at the same time. Just load your ingredients in one side, close, flip and load ingredients in the other side. In a few minutes, you've got breakfast for two. 1,400 watts of power, extra deep 1-inch waffle pockets and browning control knob. 2 LED ready indicator lights and 3 audio beep tones signal when each waffle or omelette is done. Cuisinart WAFB 50 Omelette Maker's nonstick coating easily releases food and makes cleaning effortless. You can make one Belgian waffle and an omelette at the same time. It's great for pancakes, frittatas, fried eggs, English muffins and more. Easy to handle rotary feature for even baking on top and bottom. The kids can make quick omelettes with 2 eggs, salt, pepper, cheese, and pre-cooked bacon, ham, or sausage.